Fiona. You like your swing?
You can make noise.
Yeah. Get your very own chair on the porch. You got a swing chair like Mama's. But yours is pink. Go figure. Can you say Happy Father's Day to Grandpa? Yeah, you smile when I say Grandpa. Yeah. Can you tell Grandpa what you said today? You said Mama, didn't you? Yes, you did.
Mama.
Yeah. Say, I love you, Grandpa. Yes. We all love you, Grandpa. Happy Father's Day.